Hey guys, this is the Part-Time Economist. Did you know that as a business owner, you can be legally responsible for the actions of your employees? This legal doctrine is known as Respondeat superior, and it states that an employer can have vicarious liability for the actions that their employees take while on the job. So join me as we talk about this in the second chapter of the Law and Ethics in the Business Environment. So, corporate liability is a huge issue these days, and the doctrine of Respondeat superior highlights that an employer can have vicarious liability for the actions of their employees. But here's the catch. The employees have to be acting within the scope of their duties. So let me give you an example. Let's say that I am a big technology company and you hire me to come and install internet in your office building. My employees come, they start to install the internet, but they are careless. They damage a lot of the computers. They damage some of the wiring in your building while they're completing this installation. I am responsible as the employer for their actions because they are acting within the scope of their duties. Now, let's flip this question and say that you are a homeowner. You hire me to come install internet in your house. While I am at your house, my employee sees your dog, decides he doesn't like it, and starts beating this dog. Under this situation, I'm not liable for his actions because he's not acting within the scope of his duties. He decided to kick your dog for absolutely no reason that I could control, so I am not liable. Secondly, let's use the example of a bus driver. Let's say that my bus driver is driving a bus that you were on, and while driving the bus, she neglects a safety precaution and causes a wreck. Under this situation, I could be liable even though it's her mistake because I am her employer and she is acting within the scope of her duties. Now, at the same time, let's say that she stops the bus, gets off the bus, and goes and robs a bank. I am not responsible because she is not acting within the scope of her duties. Again, vicarious liability, respondeat superior are two legal doctrines that show when an employer can be liable for the actions of their employees. It can be a tricky concept, but I hope this video has made it a little bit more clear. This is the Part-Time Economist, and I'll see you next time.